Yeah, g'day there viewers, Mr. and Mrs. Shawnee Thompson. Poking along, not bad, thanks. Righto guys, we have got some massive news.
Really exciting.
Really exciting. We have spent the last week completely redesigning our merch store. We've uploaded a heap new merch. We've also got a women's range of merch in there as well.
Yay.
So Wifey has gone through, she's done an excellent job on that. And in celebration of the launch of our brand new refurbished merch store, we're gonna do a giveaway. We're giving away a brand spanking new GoPro Hero 10, baby. So yeah, how to enter into our giveaway competition is every single piece of merch that you buy off our merch store, your name goes into the draw to win the GoPro, right? Yep. So you buy 2 jumpers, your name goes in twice. You buy 2 stickers, your name goes in twice. Yep. It's that simple.
And you have until the 31st of June, so the end of the month, and then on the 2nd of July, we will get the kids to pull a name out of a hat.
Whoever's name gets pulled out of the hat, we will be sending you this here GoPro Hero 10. The link will be in the bio, and go and check out our merch store. Go in the draw to win your very own GoPro Hero 10, baby.
Yes, how exciting. I can't wait.
That was holy wicked.
I know. Take 3.
Take 4. Oh, where's the GoPro?
Oh.
Still recording?
Did you want me to say it with you?
Yes.
Okay.
Like the end part. GoPro Hero 10, baby.
Yay.
Okay, love you, bye.
Bye bye.